Yes for Schools is a nonprofit program that helps schools to build stress-free, violence-free learning environments.
We're equipping all the individuals in the school to really take ownership and responsibility to transform their own lives in really practical, daily, simple ways.
The program gives young people strategies to manage their stress and negative emotions like anger, fear, frustration, anxiety, depression.
What's so unique and really the secret to Yes for Schools is such targeted breathing techniques and other relaxation processes that allow us to eliminate a huge amount of stress from the system.
It really helps. It really helps. It keeps you focused. You won't go into an emotional breakdown.
After, everything seemed so clear. I was more intent and focused on everything in the room. I could see things more clearly.
Neurotransmitters are the chemicals that are released, in the space between the two brain cells. Under stress, what happens is cortisol is released, and the cortisol interferes with the functioning of the neurotransmitters, so the brain cells can't communicate with each other, which means you can't learn new things, and it means what you know you can't draw on.
In order for you to be academically successful, it's important for you to be in a really healthy emotional space.
Yes goes a step beyond any other program that I have ever seen anywhere in the world because it partners the physical processes with the social emotional learning.
When you're in a situation and you don't know what to do and you kind of just react on whatever firstly comes into your mind, like an impulse to fight. Now I can, solve that in my head and be like, you know what, maybe I should do something else. Maybe I should just walk away.
Once you really find that you're happy with yourself and you don't really care what people say, you're just you do your own thing. You don't follow people's paths, you don't do nothing, you take your own path, you take control. It's a good feeling. You're happy with yourself.
I've seen this work for so many young people so consistently that I know without a shadow of a doubt that this is an answer that millions of people around the world are looking for.
If we can deliver these techniques to all of these innovators and all of these students, that we will see a transformation in education that we've never seen before.
If you think about it, who wouldn't want that? More ways to make your life easier, more ways to make you a better person.